Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a sales funnel on Gohighlevel. Once on gohighlevel.com, you can sign up for a 14-day free trial period. I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get started. Once you are signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this, and you are going to go over to the top left hand corner and you are going to tap right where you see click here to switch, and you are going to tap on the name that you had input to create your account. After you have done that, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you are going to scroll down, and right where you see sites, you are going to tap right there. After you have done that, you want to select funnels from the top page, as we want to create a sales funnel. Then you are going to tap on new funnel. After you have tapped on new funnel, you can name your funnel whatever you want. So for example, I will name this funnel simple. Then right where you see from templates, we are going to tap right there. The reason why I recommend this is with Gohighlevel, you have access to over 1000 templates. So we are going to tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you can see the different categories that you can choose from on the left hand corner right here. So you can simply scroll down until you find a category of your liking or a template of your liking. So let's say for example, I would like to use this template right here. All I'll need to do is simply tap on the template that I like. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new dashboard on which you'll see a larger version of it. Then you're going to tap on continue in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on continue, you can see that your template is being added to the dashboard. Once the template has been added, I'll be showing you what to do next and how to customize your sales funnel using Gohighlevel. It is quite straightforward to do, so even if you're a complete beginner, you'll still be able to use this platform to create a beautiful sales. Once it has loaded up, all you'll need to do now is tap on the three dots. Then you're going to tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you will be redirected to this dashboard. On this dashboard, you can see from the left hand menu option the different funnels, or better yet, the different steps for your funnels. So you can edit each step. So let's say for example, you'd like to edit the thank you page. You could tap on thank you, and from there you can see the thank you page. If you would like to remove one of the thank you pages, you can simply tap on the X to remove it. So let's say I want to remove that one. I can do that. So you can see right there, confirm deletion by typing delete. So for example, if I wanted to delete it, all I would need to do is simply tap on caps lock, then type in delete. Then from there, you could tap on yes, delete, and it will be removed. And you can also add other steps to the funnel by tapping on add new step. And from there, you could name the page. So let's say, for example, I want to name the new page. Then after you have done that, you can simply tap right where you see create funnel step. After you have tapped on create funnel step, from there you can use different templates or you can create from blank. So let's say for example, I were to tap on use existing. After tapping on use existing, from here I could choose funnel. So I'm going to be using market agency. Then from there I can choose the funnel step. So you can see right there. So I'm going to tap right there. After you have done that, you're going to tap on import. And if I were to select blank, so let's say I were to tap on add another step. And in this one, I choose to select blank. Let's do that real quick. So I'll tap on create template once more. Then I'll tap on create from blank. After you have selected create from blank, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll have numerous editing options. So for example, you can simply tap on the page right here. So you can see you are redirected to a blank page. So all you have to do now, if you would like to add sections, you could tap on sections right here at the top of the page. And from there, you could tap on add section. After you have tapped on add section, you can see right there, you can choose whether you'd like it to be full width or medium. So let's say for example I were to tap on medium. After selecting medium, from here I can add different elements. So I could tap on elements, then tap on add elements. And from here, if I wanted to add the headline, I could simply drag and place headline. After dragging and place headline, you'll be able to type whatever you want. Also, if I wanted to add something else, I could tap on elements once more, tap. And if you want to add other elements, you can also do that. All you'll need to do is tap on the plus to add more rows, and from there you can add other elements. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on save in the top right hand corner to save your changes. But I'm going to go back, so let me tap on that right there in the top left hand corner. Once you're finished creating your sales funnel, so let's go back real quick. Also, if you'd like to add products, you can do that by going over to the top right hand corner. You could tap on products. After doing that, all you'll need to do is tap on add products, and from there you could type in your product name and you could search for the product right here. And to create a product is quite straightforward. I've done tutorials on how to do that. From the left hand menu option right here, you could simply tap on membership, and from there you could create a product. After you have added your product, you could tap on publishing, and then from there you can tap on update, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on the share icon in the top right hand corner, and from there you'll be provided with a URL, and all you'll need to do is tap on copy link and done, and you will now be able to share your sales funnel. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.